In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in your Hostinger website using their intuitive website builder. Whether you're showcasing a product demo or adding some engaging content to your site, learning how to embed a video can significantly enhance the user experience on your web pages. Let's dive right in and explore this straightforward process together. To start, you will first need to head over to the Hostinger website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hostinger site. Once there, log into your account if you aren't already. After logging in, look for the Websites section in your Hostinger account dashboard. This hub is where all the magic happens, as it's the starting point of bringing your website to life. Once you are in the Websites section, the next step is to enter the Website Builder. Look for an option labeled Website Builder in your dashboard. The Website Builder is a powerful tool that lets you easily create and edit your website, and this is where you'll be spending most of your time today. Click on Website Builder to enter the editor and start customizing your website. With the Website Builder open, you will see a variety of options and tools on your screen. To add a video, the first thing you need to do is click on Elements. This section provides a range of components you can add to your site, from text boxes to clickable buttons. The Elements tab is your gateway to all the dynamic content that will bring your site to life, so find and click on it to proceed. After clicking Elements, you'll need to locate the Video option. This option is marked simply as Video. Depending on the layout of your editor interface, you might see it immediately, or you might have to scroll through until you find it. Clicking on Video will trigger an interface where you'll be prompted to select or embed the video content you want to add to your site. Once you've selected your video option, follow the on-screen instructions to embed a video link or upload the video content you wish to display on your website. If you have an existing URL from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, you can paste it here and your video will seamlessly embed into your web page. If you're uploading the video directly, allow a little time for the file to upload and process. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully embedded a video into your Hostinger website, making your page more vibrant and interactive. Remember, utilizing media content like videos can really enhance user engagement. So feel free to experiment with different types of content to see what best suits your audience. Thanks for joining me today and happy website building.